Hello friends, and welcome back to a super easy and delicious crock pot meal. This meal reminds me of fall so much, and if you go camping, I think this is the wonderful meal to have when you're camping outside. There's just something warming and comforting about this meal. So here I have 1 can of drained and rinsed Great Northern white beans and a can of black beans that's drained and rinsed. Now I have a small family, so therefore I'm cutting this recipe in half. I'll leave the link to the recipe below, and you can just double it or triple it to however many that you need to feed. Make sure that you spray your crock pot well with non-stick cooking spray. This is going to cook on low for 5 to 6 hours. In this container I have some barbecue sauce. The recipe called for ground mustard. I did not have ground mustard, so I put regular mustard. I have some brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, chili powder. I'm going to give all this a quick mix. Now I have my barbecue mixture added to my beans. I'm going to give it a quick mix. And we only have 2 more ingredients to add. I have a half of a small onion chopped and diced up, and then next we're going to add our Polish sausage. Now I have my onion mixed in, and now I'm just going to lay my Polish sausage on top. Of course, like I said, I'm just using half of this recipe because I don't need that much for us. This is smoked sausage, and I'm going with, I like the turkey skinless. I hope it still works out in this recipe, which I think it will. I just prefer this one the most, so I'm just using one of these so you can see how cheap and easy and frugal this recipe is. So I'm going to put this on. You don't cut your sausage up or anything. You want it to maintain just like that so it stays moist and juicy. And now I'm going to put this on low for 5 to 6 hours, and we'll be back. This turned out so delicious. Those beans were absolutely delicious and perfect, and the Polish sausage was a perfect accompaniment to this. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you're doing well.